Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Victoria, and today I want to show you a recent thrift trip that I took in order to find some jeans. It's about 100 degrees per day, the sun is always blazing, and as much as I love Texas, I can't get with this weather. I realized I didn't have any denim shorts, and it's kind of like a death wish to go out in this heat in some jeans, so I decided I wanted to go thrifting and transform the jeans into shorts. So I went to a local thrift store within my city and I went straight to the boys section. I know a lot of thrifters here on YouTube recommend going to the men's section for mom jeans, which is what I was looking for, but I think the smallest size in the men's section is about 28 and I am 5'2". That doesn't really add up. I had to go to the boys section and I think I'm about a 14 to 16, kind of in that range, and that works out so much better for me. The cons of buying boys denim or searching for boys denim is the fact that, one, they can look really good on the hanger. Like the waist looks really snatched, and I say like snatched, like seriously. And then you've tried on and it doesn't go past your thigh. A lot of the times that happens. And then another thing is that if I'm just looking for some regular jeans to wear, not trying to cut them or anything, they're flooding because, you know, boys' legs tend to be shorter. And then also, I have rather, I'm not gonna say I have thick thighs, but my thighs are the biggest parts of my body, and a lot of the time the jeans will fit really great or fit really snug on my thigh, and then the rest is loose. So it kind of is like a game to play. So it's a lot of trying on involved, but I did find some gems, and so I'm just going to show you what I found, what worked, what didn't work, and then also how I DIY them into some shorts. So if you're interested to see what I came up with, stay tuned. So in these next couple of clips, you're gonna see that I have some what looks to be great shorts. However, they're super tight, and I even had to cut these slits in them so that I could be more comfortable. So I'm trying to avoid that at all costs. This time around, I didn't find any pants that kind of had like a baggier thigh area. But this is definitely a lot better than what I had in the previous clip. So right now I'm just going to kind of cut a little slit so that way I can take them off and then cut them on the floor. I don't really have a method to cutting. I just tried to straighten out the pants as much as possible, and I cut straight across. And now you can see this is what they came out like for the first round. Honestly, I probably should have left them at this length, but I wanted them to be a little bit shorter, so I am going to cut them just a little bit more. I'm flipping it right now just so you can see what it would look like, but it's still really tight. So I decided that's why I was gonna go ahead and cut it just a little bit more. that they're cut to the length that I like, I'm just going to pull out some of the, what are these called? The strings, I guess, just so it could give a frayed effect, and then when I put it in the wash, it'll look really nice. Now here are my white pants. These are already Bermudas, which they fit pretty nicely, but I just wanted them to be short, so I'm doing the exact same thing I did before. These are actually a lot more comfortable. I think it's because they're not completely 100% cotton, so they have a little bit more of a stretch to them. I kind of butchered the cut just a little bit on these. You can see like the edges are a little jagged, but once I put them in the washer, it's kind of hard to tell, so that's why I'm not too particular about that. And the final step is to throw them in the washer and dryer, and this is how they came out. Like I said, that's why I was pulling out those strings so that I could have this fringe effect. I want to go back and get some more that have a better fit, but in the meantime, this will have to do. With that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you the next time. Bye!